Well, no luck for Aaron and I the other day. We ran into a few deer. I was a little picky on the one that we did run into. It was a spike, kind of small. I decided to give it up, and we didn't have any luck the rest of the day, so that's okay. I got off early today because it's raining pretty hard out, and I'm gonna try to go out and maybe get something today. We'll see. But I'm gonna head out there by myself, most likely, or Kat's gonna come with me. Put in a few hours in the rain, see if we see anything. If not, head home and get warm. It's getting real nasty out there that time of year. Well, I'm back out here at the spot that I tried last year. Try here again, see if we can find anything. We're gonna go up over this ridge here, check out the other side. Maybe we can find a tree to hide under. Hiding from me. I think this rain might be a little too heavy for them to be moving right now. I'm sure they're all bedded down and inside the tree line. We made it to the top of the mountain, and that's what our view's like. Not ideal. Fog moved in and kind of took away my viewing area. I'm gonna go over there, check up top, and maybe we might make my way back down after a little while. I'm a little soaked. All right, well, I'm checking back down the mountain. I think it's time for me to go home. Yeah, my feet are soaked. My shoes aren't waterproof like they used to be. Stepped on a little too many nails at work, I think. I'm gonna head home, get warm, try again another day. Well, I just made it back down to the rig, and I lost my keys. I don't know how I lost my keys. I don't know where I lost my keys. You know, what's funny is I actually even thought about that on my way out. Like, oh, how much would it suck if I locked my keys in the car? So I either did that or I left them up on the mountain somewhere, reaching in my pocket. I don't have service where I'm at right now, so there's only one thing I could really do. I'm gonna have to probably hike up the mountain again, try to get some service, call Kat and have her bring me out my other set of keys. So this has definitely turned into a situation here. Well, I got a hold of Kat. She's gonna come get me. I thankfully sent Kat a pin where I was at earlier, so if you're ever going hunting, you're ever out in the mountains and you're by yourself, I definitely recommend sending a pin to somebody, letting them know why you're out there, what you're doing out there, because in a situation like this, you know, had I not had service, I'd probably have to sit out here for a couple more hours until she got worried, but I'd know that she would come for me. It's by a road too, so I can always hitchhike, but lovely. Thankfully, I have more than one set of keys, so it's not the end of the world, but what a day. Hiked back up the mountain, didn't find anything. I'm starting to think now that either the keys actually never even left my vehicle, or they're just gone. You know, I use my phone to film, and pulling my phone in and out of my pocket probably isn't the best idea, especially if I have stuff in my pocket with it. So that's probably what happened. But check out how beautiful it is out here. Coming down the hill and hoping when I turn left down there, My beautiful fiance is waiting for me. She is, yeah. She saved me. She saved me.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. Peace, yay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What would I do without this woman? I'm a lucky man. Headed home, and what do we see? Well, we're back in the rig. I am utterly soaked. We saw no deer, which has been the trend all week this week. I got about 4 or 5 days left of season. And yeah, really putting in the, really going through the motions. Well, this isn't how I wanted to end the video, but it'll have to do. I ended up getting myself a little spike on the last day of season, little tiny spike. It was legal, but got some good meat out of it. And right now I'm about to quarter up this leg here, and can't wait till next season, or maybe elk season, which is coming up here soon. I gotta take care of this bad boy and get some meat in the freezer. I got a lot of work ahead of me. Here's my first little spike. Nothing to brag about, but good meat. We're gonna bury his head so I can keep the skull forever. Remember, it is my first little spike. There it is. Where is the stick? There it is. Okay, baby. All right, we're gonna take these and do the same to the venison here. We like seasoning around here. Little hair. I'll put this guy up here. Little guy right there. A little awkward, but it gets the job done.
I like their steak. I love their steak.
Got a nice stew going. Oh yeah.
Flavor.
Looks good. All right, we got some venison chopped up, and it's going in the stew.
I need to put a little more water in here.
A little venison piece. That was good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thanks, baby.
Cheers, baby.
For breakfast, we're having more deer steaks and oatmeal. Little chunky. All right. Got these nice and seasoned up.
It's really good.
Yes. We're all loaded up and ready to go. All right, we made it back home. I'm drying out the awning with our dryer in here. Always dry out your stuff. If you guys like this video, please hit subscribe, hit like. I'll be posting videos at least once a month. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.